In a world of duality, may we find solace in unity. May we do our very best to walk our talk and give back to humanity. If coldness strikes our hearts, may we call upon the guiding forces to lead us towards the golden warmth of receptivity. To explore the realms of our sensitivities and do our inner work to release our inhibitions so we can greet life with more neutrality. To find creative ways to move through the world with inspired adaptability. Because part of the purpose of life is finding within all of existence our commonality. We live in a time where we can be comforted by ancient and multidimensional intelligences of past, present, and future's creativity. May we draw upon this inspiration with honor and respect to spread the messages with integrity. To balance our personal power with humility, and on this precious earth, may we learn to walk gently, to show up in nature and society, honoring diversity, intuitively sensing where there are calls for love on this planet and the bravery to give ourselves to the cause wisely. May we surround ourselves in environments which encourage our equanimity and the soul family who embodies acceptance and tranquility. We call upon the courage to be bold in practicing the art of uplifting the world through positivity, to step away from the safe harbor and fearlessly engage in human-to-human interaction without judgment, so we can viscerally discover our universality. Because generosity has a life of its own and has the power to ripple on through all of eternity. May we never underestimate benevolent acts of kindness and remember to experience the world through the lens of empathy. This is a prayer for peace, a beckoning for sacred reciprocity.